How to watch VR videos on YouTube. Hey there, welcome back to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. To watch the VR videos on YouTube, it is pretty simple. Start off by launching the YouTube application in your device. Now in your YouTube, you can actually head over and select a video that you wish to watch in the VR. Then at the top right corner, you will see the setting gear icon. You need to tap on it. From here at the bottom, you will see additional settings. Click on the option. Then tap on watch in VR. Click on continue so that you can connect your VR with your Android or your iOS device. Now as you can see, right here is the little preview. If you wish to adjust your VR, you can do so by checking out the setting gear icon at the top. From here also, you can scan to your VR card, then you can link it as well. So this is how you can actually watch VR videos on YouTube. Wasn't it simple? Make sure that the VR that you are using is compatible with your Android device or your iOS device and that it is connected. This sums up the tutorial. Thank you so much.